Sun Pharma Advanced Research Company was formed in 2007 through a demerger from Sun Pharma. It is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company focused on continuously improving standards of care for patients globally, having 350 plus scientists working on a robust pipeline of clinical and preclinical programs, and a 400 plus strong team spread across 3 global locations like the US, China, and India. Sun Pharma Advanced Research Company is using our Sensys EasyTDS software since 2015. Thanks to Ms. Chandravati Koti and who gave us the special time to share their experience with our Sensys EasyTDS software.
Hello, I'm Chandravati Kotian here. I'm working in Sun Pharma Advanced Research Company Limited as an accounts manager. Since 7 years I'm working here. I am using Sensys EasyTDS software since 2015. Last 5 years I am using this software, and this, as name says, this software is very easy to understand. Especially it's Excel linking and bulk pan verification, and this software is very good and friendly. And especially I want to tell its customer team support is very supportive, because 24/7 they are working, and whenever we ask any questions they are ready to solve the problems. And especially I want to thank to Mr. Siddesh and Ms. Sheetal. They are always there to support us. This software is very user friendly. I recommend other company also take this software and take benefit of these features.